Another strawberry cigar here at the Jewish Cemetery, 24th day of May in Edina off of France Avenue. And we're kind of, I didn't know this was here, the last one, so I can't pronounce it, so I apologize. But we'll have the notes correctly when it comes up, and probably I think it's in October, whatever. Anyways, so get over here. It's a very expansive facility here. Oh, that's too bad. That's when you come over here and you want to lift that up, and family, it fell over. That's too bad. Come over here and put it back together. Hate to see that, but get some wind. Beloved daughter, very young, 1926, 1946. So it must be her daddy right there, 1939. More rocks. 1977, 1981. So these look like a little more newer. More rocks. Your love and devotion are eternal. Memories of you are forever in our hearts. Damn right. Husband, father, grandfather. 1944. Born just at the end of World War II. He went up to heaven in 2016. (2019), relatively new, 1943. Chester, Sheldon Chester. I wonder if his wife has to be there. So more rocks on there. These are nice rocks. Nice one here. Yep, here's my favorite one right here. I love sitting on these. You can sit here and reminisce about the person you love. I don't want to ruin my cigars. I got these for $5 a pack in Edina. It's the third video, so those that love don't go away. They walk beside you every day. So true. 2012, 2014. Looks like a newer one. They're probably waiting for something for that one. But like I said, wish I could get them all. But I think it's not a creepy thing. I think it's a cool thing to see people that have passed away in the Jewish faith. And you can put them on YouTube. Maybe someone sees it and whatever. You're not here to disintegrate anything or push anything over. Respect to religion. You know, we don't. This world, we can't get along anymore. You know, it's too bad. You know, especially people like to be anti-Semitic and hang people from trees and throw people in unfortunate ovens and whatever else, and that kind of behavior, just because of their Jewish faith. Pissing me off. No end, but anyways. Gary. Well, that's pretty tank. I wonder if that's Gary Takeoff from Oak Ridge Country Club. I wonder if that is. I bet that is. Gary Takeoff. Good man. You see more stuff down there. Bet that's Gary Takeoff. Oh, a turkey over there. I thought I saw something moving over there. Turkey lurkey. Hi, turkey. See him down there? It's a great day to do a video. It's just a great day to walk around a cemetery, like I said. Pay respects. I was up there and ran on the Darling that one time. The Darling one is back in my archives. What are you doing? I'm just videotaping, showing respect for the dead, man. I'm shouting out to people in Darling. I had no idea this was a Jewish cemetery, so I pulled in. 1925. There he is, you guys. Turkey Lurkey. Hey, Turkey. He's like, what the hell you think you're doing? 1939. Kind of weird to live next door to a cemetery. Look out and see a ghost. As you can tell, ton of them. Ton of people. All I'm gonna have is a little plaque. My body's going to science. I get it. One thing I do like about Saudi Arabia, they put you in a knapsack and put you in the ground rock over it. I like that. It's a nice one. You can't read it. It's a shame. Maybe on the other side. That's. You can't really read it. That's a shame. 1931 or something like that. I don't think I was from Oak Ridge. Probably was. 1933. Loved wife, mother. Tell you what, on the hill here, this is where they got to be anchored in, or they're gonna fall over. Sam Siegel. "18 years old. Oh, what a shame." Recognize Weiss' last name. I recognize that name. Ooh, this one's like ready to tip over. Died June 20th, 1948, at age 74 years old. She died in 1944, 1861. You don't even lean on this thing. Your afraid it's going to fall over. And it kind of moves too. I hope it doesn't fall over. 1957. Emmanuel, 56. Oh, one of my favorite ones right here. Shirley, 2009. You can sit down and talk to her. The rock's on there. I love that. That's very cool. Come sit there and maybe do some knitting and talk. April 19th, 1955. Big ass rock on there, and you really can't read it. It's a shame. But kind of get out over to here. 1953. Beloved mother and sister, Ida. 1970. Oh, here's one right here fell over. That's a shame. Again, you come here and still have to back up there. That's too bad. You hate to see that. Beloved mother, father. Oh, it's too bad. You can tell more over there. But 1987. Can you imagine trying to carry a coffin down here? Oh my goodness. My wife's grandfather passed away. We had to carry his grave, his coffin, up a hill. And it's snowing out. Up there in Randall. 1924. So, we were already over here already. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that baby. Esther, November 30th. That's a shame. Let's go give her a little love. That's a shame. Hate to see that. I believe in reincarnation. Maybe they gave her a second chance. Never know. There's a turkey down there. He's running around. Two of them, I think, down there now. Two of them. Oh, very young. 1957. 1947, 1949. This must be the baby boy area or something. Section 12 is baby boy Silverman, February 6, 1933. That's a shame. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 down there now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5. Yep, there's 5 down there. 6 down there. A whole flock down there hanging out. But this is in section 12, so. Anyways, guys, we'll go back on top of the hill. And we'll kind of skim through it, but we'll do one more. Hope you're enjoying the videos, everything else. It was amazing. I was watching a video. I can't remember what it was. Colin, the herd. In the middle of it, he stops and says, hey, make sure you like or subscribe. You're going to do that, you're going to like it. You know, it's to tell someone to like it. It's a sub. And I appreciate any subs, but I give subs. I'm very picky in who I sub to, so. We appreciate it, but listen to the stuff. There's so much to listen to, so. Go to the top of it, all right? Hope you enjoy it.